गुड इवनिंग दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल पे एंड की ज्ञान की दुनिया। एक बार फिर नई वीडियो लेकर आई हूँ। हमारा आज का टॉपिक है द वर्ल्ड कैंसर डे। आशा करती हूँ आप सब लोग अच्छे होंगे। चलिए दोस्तों, हम शुरू करते हैं अपना आज का वीडियो।
The World Cancer Day 2025 campaign, United by Unique, is about placing people at the center of cancer care. United in our goal, unique in our needs. That is the World Cancer Day credo that will be heard around the world in the lead up to and on 4th of February 2025. Its meaning is simple. Everyone has unique needs, unique perspectives, and a unique story to tell. Yet people touched by cancer are united in a shared ambition to lower the cancer burden. To see cancer treated successfully and to lead better lives with cancer. Every experience with cancer is unique, and it will take all of us united to create a world where we look beyond the disease and see the person before the patient, a world where the needs of people and communities are at the center of health systems. People-centered care accepts everyone for who they are, and it aims to deepen the connection not only between healthcare providers and patients, but with the whole communities. That's why World Cancer Day counts on everyone. Patients, loved ones, caregivers, friends, neighbors, practitioners, researchers, advocates, allies to play an important role in the campaign. The campaign will explore different dimensions of people centered cancer care and new ways of making a difference. It will offer a 3-year journey from raising awareness to taking action. Thank you for watching. Please keep supporting.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो कृपया इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें ताकि हमारी आने वाली हर वीडियो की अपडेट सबसे पहले आपको मिले। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग, कीप सपोर्टिंग। ऐसे ही अपना प्यार बनाए रखें, हमें सपोर्ट देते रहें। आशा करती हूँ हमारी जल्द ही नई वीडियो आएगी।